In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update Office and PowerPoint. Keeping your apps up to date gives you the latest features, important security fixes, and better stability, and the process is quick. The steps I'll show you inside PowerPoint will also update the rest of your Microsoft Office apps installed on your device. Start by opening PowerPoint. Go ahead and launch the app just like you normally would. If you already have a presentation open, it's a good idea to save your work before you proceed, just in case the update asks you to close and reopen the app later. Having everything saved ensures you won't lose changes mid-update. Next, go to the Account area. Click the File tab in the upper left corner, then choose Account. Depending on your version, this may be labeled Office Account, and that's fine. It's the same place. This page is where you'll see your product information, license details, and the controls for updates. It's essentially the hub for managing your Office installation. Now look for the update controls. Under Product Information, find Update Options, then click Update Now. This tells Office to check Microsoft servers for the latest updates and start the process. If you don't see the Update Options button, or it's grayed out, your organization may manage updates for you, and in that case, you may need to wait for them to push updates automatically. Once you click Update Now, Office will check for updates, download them, and install everything automatically. This may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed and how big the update is. Try to keep a stable connection and avoid shutting down your computer during the process. You can often keep working while the download happens, but the installer may ask you to close Office apps to finish. If you get that prompt, save your work and allow it to continue. When the installation completes, you may be asked to restart PowerPoint. Go ahead and close the app, then open it again. That final restart lets the updates apply properly and ensures all the new fixes and features are active. If you're curious, you can return to the account page afterward, and you should see a note that Office is up to date. And that's it. You've successfully updated PowerPoint and your Office apps using the built-in updater. Make a habit of checking occasionally so you stay current, secure, and ready to take advantage of the newest improvements. Thanks for watching, and happy presenting.